Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take science class for class 7 student. Student, we will discuss creative question answer 2, chapter 11 based on chapter 11. That means today's topic is chapter 11 creative question answer 2 number. In our previous class we have already discussed creative question answer 1 number. Let us see today's topic at a glance. Today we will discuss chapter 11 creative question and answer 2 number, and this is lecture number 20, and I will give you SW. Our today's SW number will be 17 number SW. And this is your science book. Our today's creative question is here, page number 134. This 2 number question. So dear student, let us start today's class. Creative question 2 number. Here is a stem, you can see here is a picture, here is a cloud, here is a plant, and here is a stem. This is A. Our A number question is, what is the above picture about? That means this picture. And B number question is, how is alluvial rock created? C number question is, explain the process mentioned in the above picture. And D number is, analyze the role of A in the process shown in the picture. That means this one. Now answer. Creative answer. A number question was, what is the above picture about? The answer is, above picture is about water cycle. Now B number answer. The question was, how is alluvial rock created? The answer is, the igneous rock decays by the influence of water, air, snow and glacier, ocean current, storm, cyclone, etc. The rocks then turn into small pieces. Water and air take these pieces to the ocean through rivers and stored at the lower level of the ocean as alluvium. The stored alluvium gradually transforms into hard rock, which is called alluvial rock. Now C number answer. Our C number question was, explain the process mentioned in the above picture. Explain the process mentioned in the above picture. The answer is, the process mentioned in the above picture is water cycle. That means this is water cycle picture. Heat from sun converts water into water vapor from the earth's surface. That is pond, canal, river and sea water is converted into water vapor. Water vapor goes up and forms water drops. These water drops are combined together to form clouds that float around. Water drops of the clouds combine with each other to form large drops that comes down to the earth's surface as raindrops. Rainwater flows to the river from where they ultimately reach the sea. This cycle movement of water is called the water cycle. Now we will discuss D number answer. Our D number question was, analyze the role of A in the process shown in the picture. Here is A indicate A is this picture. So the answer will be in the above mentioned picture. A is sun. A is sun. The sun is what makes the water cycle work. The earth gets all necessary energy from the sun like heat and energy. Heat causes liquid and frozen water to evaporate into water vapor, which rises high in the sky to form clouds. Clouds that move over sky, the earth and drop rain and snow. This process is a large part of water cycle. Without the heat of sun, water cycle is unimaginable. So dear student, I have finished our today's topic. Now I will give you SW. Our today's SW number is 17 number SW. And your SW will be this creative question. And answer. Number 2, and the sub number is B, C and D. Here is sub number B, C and D. This is your SW. I am repeating your SW. This is 17 number SW, and remember that when you will do your SW, please write down the SW number and submission date on top of your SW copy. And your SW is creative question and answer 2 number. B sub number is B, C and D based on chapter 11. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your SN SW in your SW copy. You will get 2.5 marks for each SW. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.